Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of coming, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post updates like this, you will be the first one to know about it. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and review purposes only. I am only sharing my personal opinion and experience using this app. Results and experiences may vary depending on the user. Please do your own research before joining any online platform. Thank you. So, I've brought another one for you people. This one, you will need VPN, you will need paper. You need VPN, you need paper. And it's for both iOS and Android phone. So this one, you can see this one. You see it? There are lots of games to play here. You will see the link to register this app in the description of this video or in the comment section of this video. You see games. There are lots. When I mean lots, there are many games to play here. Just download the one you know how to play and start playing it and gather coin. That's what you are supposed to do here. Let's see this one now. You see, complete level 10, complete level 25. You see coin that they will give you. For example, you play this one out to level, maybe you were tired, you just play to level 60 or level 90. You see the coins you accumulate. Okay, let's see. You see different ones that you can play. You see coins. You see coins. Maybe it's this water sort you know how to play, because me, I normally like to play water sort in any game. I always choose water sort. You see coins. Go back. If you click on this my games, these are the games that my husband has downloaded. I'm making this video from my husband's phone. You see the games that he's playing. You see it? Okay. If you click on wallet, you see it. When you first download this app, when you use the net to download this app, the first thing you will see is $1. They will not add 0.50 at first. When you place your first withdrawal, then they will now open different withdrawal for you. Then you will now see 0.50. So you see how this one is. Please, if you are using gift card, make sure your coin is big. There's nobody that will buy $1 gift card. Me, I redeem gift card are from 3 to above, 3 upward. I will start helping you to redeem. But if you bring 1, 2, I can't redeem it. So you see this side, you see different gift card, different ones here. If you are using paper, normally for games, I will always recommend you guys to use paper. But if you know you don't have money to create paper, then use gift card. But make sure your gift card no go carry $1, no go carry $2, at least $5, $6. That one makes sense. You see, 105,000 coin to withdraw 0.50, and this is actually nice. 210 for $1. This one is good though. This one is good. By the time you start withdrawing, you start playing. If you gather 1 million coin now, they will open this $5 for you. So depending on the coin you gather, that's how they will open the withdrawal for you. So please don't mind my voice, I'm just waking up. Depending on the coin you gather, that's how they will open the withdrawal for you. So this is just it. Then you click on profile, you can see this one is already on level 14. So just imagine you are playing, they will be giving different level. If you cross this one now and reach this level, between 7 days now they will open another level for you. So that's just it. Then let's go to profile. Let's go to this withdrawal. You see all the withdrawal that he has made. You see the withdrawal. These are all the withdrawal from this game. This $3 withdrawal. $1, $1, $1. That's $3. Please, any app you see on this my channel, they are paying. You only need to go and try it out. Anyone that works for you, continue with that one. Not everybody has the let me say, is it the capacity or the time to sit down and start playing games. But some people don't, they are not good in survey. So these games is something that is so easy for them to do. Please, if you don't, I will still post a survey. Yes, there's one survey that I want to post. It has been with us for like almost a year now. People have been withdrawing from it. I will post it soon. But those that are not good in survey, see game, start playing game. Choose the one you want to do and start doing it. Please, look for one or two. Just sit down, start playing it. What will give you enough coin, you start withdrawing. If you start withdrawing $1 now, for example, you see this 210. You start withdrawing $1. You are saving it on your paper. You are saving it on your paper. Just imagine by maybe you give yourself 1 week, you start playing game. See all this game, you complete it to level 5, they give you 36,000 coin. You go to another one, you download another one, you complete it to level 5 again, they will give you 36,000 coin. You go to another one. By the time you do like 5 of it, you should be able to have this coin to withdraw $1. So by the time you put yourself every week, I want to make $1, or every 2 days I want to make $1, depending on your time. Not everybody have time. Every 2 days I want to make $1. Every 3 days I want to make $1. You can do it. It's something you tell yourself. A stay-at-home mom that normally you have children, so you don't really have something to do. This one is actually good for you. Me, I'm a stay-at-home mom. I do almost everything I see online. If I hear this one is paying, I will choke my head aside. I will do it. If I hear this one is good, I will choke my head aside. I will do it. That's why you see me. I normally spend my time in games. And you can never one day see me that I am not doing anything. I am so busy. That's why I decided to open a YouTube channel, because there are many updates dropping in. Somebody just go, mama, see this update is paying you. Let everybody go and do it. I will come and make video and still tell you guys. Please, if you know you did Neo before, Neo is currently paying now, but there are different restrictions to it. So myself have not created that account because of the issue that is going on with Neo. So when you create, please be guided. There is no numbers that will work. I want to just roll that one in. But when I finally create my account, I will come and do video and post it for you guys. So this is just it. I don't want to take this video long again. This is it. If you can do survey, you can see CP research. You can do survey. Just click on it. See all this one. This is survey. You are very good in survey. This is actually what you can do. Just click on it and start doing it. So that's all. And please don't fail to like. Don't fail to comment. All those your like, your comment always encourage people. If you try anything, it's not working for you, come to the group or write it under the comment section. I don't know. I have seen comment like, I downloaded it, but it's giving me issue. I don't know what is happening. I will not tell you. Come to the group. Let me see why it's giving you issue. Because me, I use iPhone. I use Android phone. If I post update of Android phone, I have it in my phone. If I post update of iPhone, I have it on my phone. So please. And some people, they don't really believe that you can make money online for free. I've seen some comments. They will say, all these things does not work. They don't believe. please start believing online. It is paying. Not everything that you must pay money before you will pay you. No, all this online stuff, they are paying for free. You only just to buy data, buy VPN. No free VPN, no. Some of you go and use free VPN. If you now use free VPN, it will not now work for you. You start complaining. Buy data, buy paid VPN, or you buy Prosy, that one, anyone. Then you start doing it. Have your paper. All those things is what you need. When you have them, you start playing it. You start gathering it. When it's not big, you withdraw it. There are bank you can link it to. Great. There's Renet, there's Clever. So choose the one you want to use. Thank you guys. I love all of you. Your support so far is encouraging. I love you guys so much. Thank you for your support. Thank you for everything. I pray God Almighty keep on blessing you people. So bye.